Hello and welcome to day 38 of Bedtime Welsh. And a bit of a brutal day for you today. So don't worry about any of these. Just give them a shot. See which of them you can get. See which of them you can get maybe later on when you've thought about them for a while. So, right, let's get going. The first one is because I can't remember.
Achos fedra ddim cofio.
Achos fedra ddim cofio. Da iawn, well done if you remembered any of those. So now I'm starting to feel nervous.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n nervous. If you are, don't worry, don't feel nervous. You know nothing to feel nervous about. It's all okay. Make as many mistakes as you want. Make loads of mistakes. More mistakes, the better. Okay, I'm going to start to feel nervous.
Dwi'n mynd I dechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Da iawn. Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus. And now, because I can't remember what.
Achos fedra ddim cofio beth.
Achos fedra ddim cofio beth. And now, as always, a monster to finish with. So throw yourself into this one as much as you can get out, but don't worry about it. Don't feel nervous. Because I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Achos fedra ddim cofio beth o'n I isio deud.
Da iawn am cofio hynny. Achos fedra ddim cofio beth o'n I isio deud. So you get anywhere near that, you're doing absolutely brilliantly. Well done, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.